Hello, I'm Baby and this is Mommy.
What are we gonna do today?
Make mask out of socks.
Yes, we're gonna make a mask socks. So this one I bought it in a dollar
I got
store,
there.
but I kind of like it's getting warm right now, so I'm not using them. So I just tried it on and I didn't really able to, and it has a very nice design in it. It's penguins in it. So no, this is no sewing masks. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, can we move a little bit, Lan? Okay, can we just put that away because that's not what we're doing today. Thank you.
No.
So now what we're gonna do is that can you try to put this in here? So Leilani, she's always, whatever I do, she always go with me. So I just have this thing for my daughter's hair. So I'll just slip them in both ends.
I can't do it.
All right, no worries. Mama will help you.
Don't worry.
So it's okay. So I'm just gonna,
Rubber band.
you just slip them in, right? Like that. Like this way, like what you see. And then after that, I'm just gonna, this one here, I'll just fold that way. And then, and then we have two rubber bands and we just put them around it. Like, so, like this way, I know how to sew it by hand. But the thing is that maybe I'm gonna use it in the future. So that's why
Here,
I'm not gonna sew it this time. So okay, so give another one. It's all right.
We're not doing that today.
It's all right. So just the same as the other side. Just put this one around it. So you see. Okay.
Mama.
All right.
No, I've got
it here. Okay. So I have it right here.
One of the legs.
It's okay.
One of the legs.
It's okay. All right.
No.
Right here. So I'll put it into Leilani. Since Leilani is my here, so I'll just slip it into her. So that way you can always adjust. So see, as you see, it's nice. I mean, like that's it. And if it is too tight for her, you can always adjust them. So here is my no sew mask out of socks. So you can always, and then the nice design here you can see. So I think this one is really a little bit better and it's so soft. This cloth here is very soft. So let's see how this one works for us. It's really nice actually. See, and then I have that little rubber band that goes around my.
Yeah, it is.
Nice. And you can always adjust them anytime you like. You can just take them off and you can wash them and you can make another whatever, and then the other pair I can make it for Leilani. So it's really cool. I hope you guys learn from this and help you to make a mask out of a socks. You can always make whatever, So thank you so much for watching and have a good day. See, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
No.
Alrighty.